Welcome back. In today's short explainer, we'll understand one of the most important concepts behind modern AI language models, MLM, Masked Language Modeling. Masked language modeling, or MLM, is a training technique where some words in a sentence are hidden or masked, and the AI model is asked to predict those missing words. It helps the model learn context, relationships between words, and how language truly works. For example, if we mask a word like, the cat sat on the model needs to predict the most likely word, maybe mat, sofa, or floor. This teaches the model to understand grammar, meaning, and sentence structure. MLM became widely known through models like BERT and other transformer-based architectures. It's powerful because the model learns from both directions, left and right context, making it bidirectional. This is different from older models that only read text in one direction. Because of this bidirectional understanding, MLM helps models perform exceptionally well in tasks like text classification, question answering, named entity recognition, sentence similarity, and many other NLP applications. In training, typically around 15% of words are masked. The model sees the incomplete sentence and learns to predict the missing pieces using context. Over millions of examples, the model builds a deep understanding of language patterns. So, that's MLM, a simple but incredibly powerful learning strategy behind many modern AI systems. It helps machines understand language instead of just memorizing it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more quick AI explainers. Thanks for watching.